Well, the main subjects that seem to attract critics and so on is sort of love-hate relationship to the changing, secularized world. He was certainly for it. It has all kinds of problems. He was aware of the problems, and that shows in his poetry. And it's an understandable preoccupation. Things were changing, especially for the group of people that he was part of, namely people who came here to live a better life, and realizing that it was not all that easy to do and not all that comfortable, but had some nice features. And it's to respond to a complicated situation like that is tough on anybody.